Welcome back to another class of PBL. I know a lot of people were excited about that last video, and you're just hungry for more, so we're back. I did get 2 dislikes, though, which made me laugh. So today we're going to make a quick little game. I've already had part of it set up here. I got my 5 different characters on there. One of them is kind of the target we're going after. In order to do this, though, I'm going to need to make them smaller so that my little hedgehog hero can move around without bumping into everybody. So I'm going to go to each of the characters and size. I'm probably going to knock them down to like 40. Boom. Little naughty penguin. Killer Dot here needs to be down to 40. Ooh, that's kind of small. We'll go 60 with Dot. Yeah, all right. Lightning Bolt is gigantic, so we'll do 50 on that. All right, so now that there's kind of a little bit more space to roam around, I'm probably going to need to change my hedgehog too, just a little bit smaller. Maybe go 70 on Senior Hedge there. Boom. Okay. So the idea of the game is I want to make a little game where the hedgehog is going to go forward. I'm going to maneuver over to the bowl of fruit. Hedgehogs don't usually eat fruit. They're insectivores, but in this case, this hedgehog likes fruit. They can eat fruit. So I'm going to basically leave the code for everybody but the hedgehog. The hedgehog's the only one I'm really going to worry about. I go there. I go to events. I'm going to do this when clicked. Now, in order for the game to start over at the same spot every time, I want my hedgehog to always start right here. So I'm going to use this go to and slide it in. You'll notice if I move the hedgehog around, those numbers over here change. And so they'll actually show right where the hedgehog is if you put the hedgehog where you want it first. And you don't have to use the hedgehog. You can use whatever animals. But I will refer to the hedgehog as our hero today because that's the one I'd show. So I'm going to want that to happen every time. And then the other thing I want to happen is I want the hedgehog to slowly kind of move forward. The last time I had it moving backwards. So I'm going to change that to 10. I'm going to bring that over here. I want it to happen forever. So I'm going to add this little piece in there, put it inside, and then we know that's going to go way too fast. I need to add one of those wait blocks in there as well, and that's going to go inside. I think last time I did like 0.3 seconds. When I push the green thing, boom, 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 goes forward. But right now, nothing, I can't control it. So that's what we're going to learn to add today, so those controls. So under events, we're going to go when space key is pressed. And we're going to add 2 of these because I want 2 different controls. I want to be able to turn the hedgehog left, and I want to turn the hedgehog right. So instead of space key, though, I can't use the same one. I'm going to go left arrow for one and right arrow for the other. And this is going to work on a Chromebook or a laptop or computer. This won't work on a phone or something like that. And now I'm going to go to what I want them to do, which is the motion. So turning left, they're going to turn counterclockwise 15 degrees, or he or she is. And then turning, when I hit the right arrow, I want it to turn clockwise. Now when I push play, I'm going to, after I hit the green flag, I'm going to put my hands on the left and right keys, and I'm going to be able to control the hedgehog. Boom. And I push left, and you can see it kind of turns the hedgehog. I push right, turns it back, and I want to try to maneuver my hedgehog through the obstacles to finally get to the piece of fruit. I win. The issue here is I just worked on the controls for my main character. If you want to kind of soup up your game a little bit, you can go in here and put some code in for all of the bad guys. You can make them move around. You can make something happens when they run into the hedgehog. And the other thing I'd want to do is I want to go to the fruit bowl, and I want to make something happen when my hedgehog gets to the fruit bowl. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in a few weeks. Take care, stay safe, and other good things.